Hi guys, it's Numismatic Collector, and today we're going to be going over a valuable 2005 Buffalo commemorative nickel. Now this commemorative nickel is not a normal one, it is an error coin, meaning that when it was minted it had a mistake on it. So over here you can see there's a line going through the buffalo and it almost looks like the buffalo has been speared. And that's why the coin is called the Speared Buffalo Nickel. Now this coin is a commemorative coin because it commemorates the Louisiana Purchase and it is a part of the Westward Journey series coins. So in this video I will be talking about the error and then the value of the coin. Let's get started. So again, you can see that the line is going through the buffalo, and the reason why you can see a line going through the buffalo is because of a die gouge. So a die gouge is when a foreign element is been dragged across the coin and then it leaves its imprint on the coin. So that's why we see this line. So now this coin can go for $50 to $100 in average condition, but in mint state condition and especially mint state 66, then this coin can go for around $1,000 or even more, but it has to be graded mint state 66 by PCGS or NCG. So that's the key factor.